everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. Today I have a lovely rabbit recipe for you. A rabbit curry. A Thai rabbit curry. A Thai rabbit curry with red Thai curry paste. Let's go and see the ingredients for this rabbit curry recipe. Here are the ingredients for my Thai rabbit curry. Rabbit, pineapple, Thai red curry paste, and coconut milk. Now let's start cooking. In a preheated pan, add the vegetable oil. Now the oil is hot. Add the rabbit. We are going to brown off the rabbit meat, guys, for 4 minutes. 2 minutes both sides. After 2 minutes, turn the rabbit over to brown off the other side. After couple minutes, remove the rabbit meat from the pan. I am browning this, guys, on a high heat, okay? Add the coconut milk to the pan on a medium heat. I am using the same pan, guys. Then add the curry paste. Give it a stir, mix it up. Now the coconut milk is bubbling away, we can now add the rabbit meat. Okay, guys? And add the pineapple on top. And we're going to slow cook this for 45 minutes. Now you can put the lid. After 20 minutes, let's give a rabbit curry a stir. Wow! After 45 minutes, my rabbit Thai curry is now ready to serve and enjoy with rice. Now let's taste my rabbit Thai curry. Wow! This rabbit Thai curry is delicious. I hope you enjoyed this rabbit recipe, guys. My rabbit curry recipe, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.